Do you freeze in front of the camera? Does your mind go blank as soon as you're about to speak in front of the camera? Believe me, I was exactly in the same stage a few days back. However, I was determined to overcome my camera fear and lack of confidence. In today's episode, I will share all my tips on how I was able to overcome the camera fear in the last 30 days. So please watch this video till the end because I'll tell you some of the secret tips to help you fast track this process. Let's face it, being on the camera can be terrifying for many of us. The fear of judgment, making mistakes, and not being good enough can hold us back for creating the content we truly want to share with the world. In the vast world of content creation, I believe there are two distinct categories of people. Number one, the assumptive audience. These are the folks who watch a range of social media content and think, that's too easy. I am good with people, so I'll be great on camera too. But they never actually try it themselves. They assume it's simple and live in the illusion without ever giving it a shot. I call the second category a perfectionist paralyzer. In this category, once these people start making videos, they realize it's tougher than they thought. They freeze up in front of the camera, thinking about every little thing they are doing wrong. They want everything to be perfect before they even start. So they end up never getting started at all. You'll not be surprised to hear that. Unfortunately, I used to be in both these categories. I used to watch hours and hours of YouTube videos and kept on assuming that since I have a corporate background, speaking in front of the camera would be a child's play, as if as soon as I start talking in front of the camera, I will be able to start blabbering. But I was wrong. It was only when I pressed the record button of the camera and started to speak that I realized how hard this could be. I couldn't speak for more than a few seconds. My brain went blank. And then I started to overthink, what if I forget? What if the voice isn't good? What if the video gets boring? So many things to point that I was losing my confidence and thought, is this really for me? But that is when I took this as a challenge that in the next 30 days, I would overcome my camera fear and train my mind with a plan to get better every day. Over the next few days, I will share my step-by-step plan and the practice details which I have taken to reach this point. So please keep watching till the end of this video. Welcome to this episode. This is the first part of the 30-day camera confidence program. This is absolutely free and I will talk about my journey of the last 30 days to achieve the camera confidence, and I'm recording all these tips and tricks to help you achieve the camera confidence along with me in this journey. Before I start sharing the step-by-step process, I would like to mention 2 points. The fundamental principle of my daily plan was to make small improvements every day rather than setting up an unrealistic overnight success target. As you progress on your practice routine, please take some time to watch your practice video and take some notes on what went well and what you'd like to improve the next day. Now, let's give a start. Day 1. Record a practice video. Grab your camera or smartphone and record a short practice video of any topic. Don't worry about perfection. The goal is to get comfortable seeing yourself on the camera. Day 2. Watch and analyze your video. Watch your video and take some notes on what went well and what you'd like to improve. Focus on the body language, vocal tone, and eye contact. When you are recording yourself using a camera or a phone, look directly at the camera lens and not on the LCD screen. Day 3. Try a relaxation technique before recording. Before hitting the record, try a relaxation technique like deep breathing, or listening to a piece of music to calm your nerves. A relaxed mind leads to a more confident performance. Day 4. Practice speaking in front of a mirror. Stand in front of a mirror and rehearse your content. This exercise helps improve self-awareness and allows you to refine your body language and facial expression. Day 5. Practice improvisation. Challenge yourself to speak spontaneously in front of the camera. This exercise helps you to improve fluency and reduces the fear of forgetting words or getting stuck. Day 6. Authenticity is key to sustainability. Your audience is drawn to authenticity. Don't feel pressure to adopt a persona or style that isn't genuine to who you are. When you speak from your heart and stay true to yourself, your confidence will naturally shine through. Instead of trying to mimic others, embrace your natural style of communication. Whether you have a sense of humor, energetic, or calmness, let your personality guide you through your content creation process. Authenticity resonates with the viewers and fosters a deeper connection that cannot be replicated through imitations. Day 7. Experiment with different speaking rates. Play around with your talking pace during your recording. Varying your speed dials adds interest to your content and prevents monotony. Practice speaking slowly and clearly for emphasis. Day 8. Know your content. Confidence comes from being well prepared. Know your content inside out before hitting the record button. Talk about something which you are passionate about or your niche. Example, I'm not a sports person, and if you ask me to talk about sports, I'll not be able to talk for more than a minute. But if you ask me to talk about technology or AI or personal finance or personal development, then I can talk forever because these topics interest me. So you need to have that passion. Day 9. Focus on one aspect of improvement. Choose one specific aspect of your performance to focus on, such as maintaining the eye contact, looking at the lens, using gestures to effectively engage with your audience. Concentrated practice leads to noticeable improvement. One small improvement every day will guide you a long way. And I'm not asking you to play a Hollywood act, but you don't want to look like a robot in front of the camera or your audience. For example, hello, my name is Mainak, and this video is all about camera confidence. Day 10. Focus on your energy level and emotions. When it comes to camera confidence, understanding how to adjust your emotions and energy levels based on the type of the content you are creating is absolutely crucial. High energy. If you're filming a vlog about an exciting adventure or lively event, bring high energy to keep viewers engaged and entertained. Moderate energy. For informative or tutorial videos, maintain a balanced energy level that's enthusiastic yet focused, guiding viewers through the content effectively. Calm energy. In videos discussing serious topics, providing a relaxation techniques or a yoga posture, adopt a calm and soothing energy to create a comfortable ambience for your audience. Day 11. Outline the key points. Write down the key points of the subject that you are planning to talk on, or you can use a set of bullet points of a topic in your PowerPoint note. Outlining the key points helps you to organize your thoughts and structure your content in a logical manner. This clarity of structure not only makes it easier for you to follow along, but also helps your viewers to understand the information more effectively. Memorizing a script word for word can be daunting and increase the performance anxiety. By relying on the outlined key points or bullet points, you remove the pressure of remembering every line, allowing you to focus more on delivering the message confidently and authentically. Day 12. Utilize the free time for mental rehearsal. Take advantage of the moments when you are alone, such as during the walks or during the mundane tasks, to talk in your head, or you can talk loud about all the contents and try to recall them. Repeating your content mentally or verbally during the free time helps you reinforce the material in your mind. This can make it easier for you to remember your script or key points when you are in front of the camera. Talking through your content during the downtime helps you become more comfortable with your material. It allows you to explore different angles, anticipate questions, and develop a deeper understanding of the topic, leading to a more confident delivery in front of the camera. And this is the end of this episode. Thank you for watching. If you're interested about the second part of this 30-day camera confidence challenge, please do subscribe to my channel, where you will be kept up to date as soon as I launch the next video. In the next series, I will talk about the secret tips which has really helped me to fast track the process of camera confidence and overcome the camera fear. I will see you in the next video. See you later.